Good afternoon, AY. I will be doing a poem. Parents are so confusing, I don't understand them at all. We try to obey them, but it's not easy at all. Sometimes when we're playing, they scream. There's too much noise, tone down. But when we're quiet, they're worried. They're convinced something is wrong. Answer me, I'm speaking to you. These words they often say, but take it from me. Those words they never try to obey, because if you only try to answer, this is what you will hear. Hush your mouth, you're too rude, don't you dare. When you break your mother precious glass, you will hear. You're too clumsy, but when they have break a glass, they will say, it's an accident, honey. Sometimes when I cry, I'm told I'm too big to act like that. Sometimes when I cry, when I want to wear a fancy dress, they'll say, you think you're big, you can't wear that. Parents are so confusing. I don't understand them at all. We try to obey them, but it's not easy at all.
Thank you.